Um, Hello Tracy. I got my hair. This is beautiful. The texture is fantastic. The feel is out of this world. I really love it. Thank you K Hair for giving quality hair. This is the bone straight, and this is the other one, the tip coil. They are all fantastic. All the hair I got from you is fantastic. I love them all. I love it. I can't wait to install this. As soon as I install this, I will definitely send you a video. But this is quality hair from K Hair. Thank you K Hair. I can't wait to make orders again. I'm sure going to make more orders. God bless you and have a fulfilled week. Thank you.